Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your Rimmer, Kaindoy. So, by the way, how was our morning? Musta sa itong umaga? So, today, this morning, we discuss about, actually, it's my random thoughts. So, we talk about love. So, I consider this topic so Valentine's Day is approaching next month. So we talk about general idea, how we define love, how many kinds of love, and how love works. So actually, love is about feelings. It's about thoughts of your emotion, attachment to a people. That's that's actually love from the heart. So in decision making, in psychology, you can use the brain to decide or the heart to decide. But heart, by the way, it is very deceitful or malimbungan. They are not strong enough to decide because they have many to consider, because they consider the emotion, the feelings. When they decide, unlike the emotion, they are very firm to decide. And that's it. In terms of decision making, so better use your brain to avoid mistake. But if you want to use the heart to decide for memories, even though it is a mistake, but masaya ka, you're happy, so go for it. But if you want to improve, if you want to learn something, just use the brain to decide in terms of decision making in your life. So by the way, love is its emotion that embody as a whole being. Like actually, love have three kinds. First is filial love. It's love of um, animals. Animals, love the dog, anything living animals. So it's filial love. The second love is actually filial love is not all kinds of animals. So every living creatures love. Actually, we are lovers of animals like dog, cat, cow, carabao. We show emotions to care for them. So if they are sick, if they die, so we are angry, we are sad because we love for them. We have attachment for them. So the other kinds of love is uh, agape love. So agape love is a love of God. So actually it's a reciprocal, like a love of God and God love us also. So yeah, love of God, like we have a religion, so we have faith that we believe because we love God. So we love God. In a way of we go to church, we study His word, we obey His word. So because we love God and we believe that God love us also. So actually, I explained that God love us as very easy and very relatable and common verse in the Bible sa John 3:16. So He loved us in a way of giving His only Son. Actually, God in Trinity, they have God the Father, God the Son, and God the Spirit. So God the Father is from the Old Testament. God the Son start when God gave His other persona through a Son, Jesus Christ. This is God also to save us, because at the beginning we are sinful, we are apart from God since in a time of Adam and Eve, because of the mistake that they commit and the temptation of the Satan. So because of that, and because God love us, even though God love us, still God is, um, what do you call it, just, merciful, and just. So whatever mistake we commit, still forgive us if we ask for forgiveness. But what we are doing in the past, because he is just like a judge, he judges us through what mistake we commit, like we have consequence. So we suffer for that consequence in order to learn it, even though God forgive us if we ask forgiveness. That's how God is. He have mercy on us, he love us, and he also just. Actually, the love of God is for everyone, but if you want to have an eternal love of God, if we want to, after we leave to this world, to this earth, basically, living to this earth is temporary, so we are not living eternity. So our lifespan here depends on God, or depends on how we care ourselves. Like some we only live for 20 years, 30 years. So in short, our life here is unpredictable. Like death is unpredictable. So there is a choice. So in the beginning, in chapter 16, he loved us like, for God so loved the world, no? He gave his only begotten Son, so that whoever believe in him shall not perish. So ang perish is not only death, no, kaya tanan na mamatay, but the perish is without seeing God. Like if you have in heaven, you have also in hell or in inferno. So we are perish kay magan ang hope nga mauban natong Ginoo. So actually it's a choice, it's freedom of choice na, like whosoever believe in him. So believe in him shall not perish but have everlasting. Now kanang everlasting life is a life with God in heaven. So because he loves us, that's the reason iyang kipada, he gives an begotten Son to die at the cross, because only God or Jesus is acceptable to shed his blood as a way of forgiving us. That's it. So the third kind, and of course they have a supporting verse, as if you want to more God, or like salvation, like in Roma 3:23, Roma 6:23. We have also in John 1:12 and John 14:6. So ang John 14:6 is ingon siya nga, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. So there is no other way, no? There is no good work to save us. But if we believe God, that good work will be follow. Okay, new creation nun ta, like we like God na. But actually it's a process. This instant. The third kinds of love is eros love. It's a love of affection for opposite sex, opposite someone, like male and female. At the same time, it's an urge that actually it is some is eros love is like an erotic, like this, six hot things. So though like doing sexual, actually doing sex is not bad if we do that after marriage. So actually that thing is they nationalize it, that doing sex before marriage in order to like a trial and error, but in biblical way they are not right. So even though some Christians who believe in God doing that, because they are not firm to God. So at the end, God also impose consequence what mistake we are doing. So that's it. It's about love. Thank you everyone. Good morning and God bless.